Today I'm painting this fireplace accent wall in Sherwin-Williams color 6990. It's called Caviar. It's a dark, rich black and is a bold choice for such an accent wall. To start out, I'm cutting out all the low and then we'll be moving to the high. Here I'm able to use the A-frame ladder and able to cut without having to lean the ladder on the wall. This allows me to cut everything out for one coat and roll immediately without having to double cut the high portion of the wall. After getting everything cut out, I'm able to roll out the wall with the first coat. And I'll actually show you here what it looks like after drying. So you can see how much I can see through that first coat covering over the old orange. I like to use a fan to help dry in between coats. Kind of speeds up the process. Like I said, here's the dried first coat and you can see through pretty well. However, second coat covers just fine and we end up with great coverage with only two coats, even though it's such a dark, bold color going over the orange. I'm leaning on the wall on the left there if you happen to notice. I like to use my rag so that way I don't leave any fingerprints on a wall that I'm not actually painting. So we were here only doing the accent walls, so it was a good idea not to get anything on any of the other walls. So once again, I had a rag in my pocket, able to pull that out and lean on the wall with that rather than a bare hand. Now I'm rolling out the second coat, making sure that I'm leveling everything out and getting good coverage and keeping a wet edge as I go. Makes life really easy when you have the roller pan right in front of you. That way you don't have to go far to get the paint, and it allows you to keep moving quickly and not make a mess with drips trying to carry the roller from the pan to the wall far distance. I've also slowed down the speed of the video here just to show you exactly how I'm loading the roller and also rolling out the wall. I will continue along here painting the second coat, keeping a wet edge as I said, and then once complete I'll show you the steps necessary to clean up and lick out the pan and make sure all the paint is out of the roller, which helps when you are going to wash it out, and or if you're planning to throw it out, you're not wasting a bunch of the touch-up paint by having it still in the roller nap. Before I wrap up rolling out the wall here, another tip for doing so is you'll notice I have the extension pole and I'm going from the top of the wall all the way down to the bottom of the wall. So keep a nice full, movements from top to bottom. Really evens everything out and allows for a really good finish once everything dries in. As I said, I'm wrapping up here. I like to lick out, it's kind of a painting term, the pan. So whether you're licking out a cut pot or licking out a pan, this is the process and this is exactly what it is. So you're literally licking the paint with the paintbrush out of the pan. And then I'll be squeegeeing out the roller nap with my 5-in-1 with the curved side of it in order to get all the excess paint that is loaded into the roller nap back into the gallon for touch-up paint. Goes pretty quickly and you would be really surprised how much paint is actually in these roller naps. So then I'll get everything finished up and we'll have a few after pictures of what the fireplace accent looks like, with two coats covered on both sides of the fireplace. And there you have the process of painting an accent wall on a fireplace. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment, like, and also share with anybody you think might benefit from watching this video. Thanks so much for watching.